Hello everyone, hope you have a good day. In this video, I'm showing you the easiest and a unique way of making chicken leg pieces. Keep watching till the end. Here, I have taken 4 chicken leg pieces. Now, let's marinate it. Take a bowl and crack an egg. And add 100 gram yogurt on it. And all the spices. First, I'm adding ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Turmeric. Cumin and coriander powder. Curry powder. If you want to make your own curry powder at home, then click in the I button. Now add red chili powder. Add salt and stir it. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it again. Now take a half slice of lemon and squeeze its juice on it and mix it again. Now it's ready, so put chicken leg pieces on it and mix with it properly. Alright, it's done. Now cover it with a plastic and a plate and leave it for an hour so all the spices can get inside the chicken. Alright, it's been 1 hour now. Now take a big pot which has proper lid so you can cover it properly. Now add 1 small bowl salt, it means around 200 gram. You can also use clean sand instead and heat the pot with medium flame. Now our chicken leg pieces are mixed properly with spices. Take a plate and cover it with an aluminum foil. If you don't have aluminum foil, then you can use oil as well. Now put chicken leg pieces on the plate. Now take a small size of aluminum foil and put our salt in the pot. Now place the plate of chicken over it. Be careful, it's getting hot. Now cover it with the lid and cook it for 12 to 15 minutes in a medium flame. Alright, it's been 15 minutes now. Now turn the chicken the other side and cook it for another 10 minutes. Wow, it starts looking yummy. Wow, great. Alright, it's cooked now. So take it out on a plate and you can serve it straight away. But I'm frying it in oil for a few minutes. You can do so. And our unique way of making chicken leg pieces is ready. So decorate it with some mint leaf and lemon and enjoy it. I hope you like this video, so do like, share it with others and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.